Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix PrizePicks too many attempts. Now if you are facing the error of too many attempts on PrizePicks but you don't know how to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you are facing the issue of that, now to solve it you need to simply watch the video till the very end. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video. And now to fix it, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you need to simply install the PrizePicks app on your device. So if you have already installed that, then that's good. If you have not installed, you need to go on App Store and install it. So after that, to fix it, open PrizePicks and check if you are still facing the problem. Now I'll just open it and show it to you. Now if you're trying to log in and it says too many attempts, then the main reason may be that if the server may be down, or there may be some error on the system. So try again after few minutes or few hours to check if the problem is still there. And if the problem is still there, then open App Store again on your device and check if there is any update available. So you need to simply search PrizePicks and check if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, you will see the option of update instead of the option open. So update the app and try to open it again. If that solves the problem, then that's good. If that doesn't, then you need to open settings on your device, and under settings you will see the option of general. So click on it, and under general you will see the various options like about, software update and all. So you need to simply ignore that and click on the option of iPhone storage. Now under iPhone storage you need to scroll down until you find the option of PrizePicks or find the app PrizePicks. So scroll down and you'll see the option of PrizePicks, so click on it. So under PrizePicks you will see the option of offload app. So click on the option of offload app, which will help you to free up some storage also, and also helps you to fix the errors or bugs which are currently happening on your device or your app. So after doing this, you'll be able to fix the error which says too many attempts, or fix PrizePicks too many attempts error. So that's it. That's how you can fix the error. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.